Hi. Welcome here. In this video, I'm going to take you through an interesting AI tool that can help you in different ways, the Flair AI. If you are a small business owner, it can be really expensive to hire a product photographer. So in this video, I'm going to discuss how this AI can help you create your advertisement. I mean, if you own a product or if you want to advertise something, then this tool is the go-to option for you. But before we begin, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon, so that you can never miss an update. Now let's get started. Go to the browser, and search for Flair AI. Click on this and this is the home page of Flair AI. Before getting started, let's check their pricing plans. Here you can see I am on the free plan. The Pro and Pro Plus plans provide some extra features, you can check. Now click on Get Started for free. Click on Continue with Google or enter your email address. And here we go. Click on Create New Project. So if you click New Project, what will happen is, you'll be able to see a product placeholder here, and then on the right side, you will see the result of your image generation. Okay, so for everyone who, as you know, played a little bit around with Mid-Journey or DALL-E of these like image generation AI software, of course, this is built on the same technology, but the key difference here is that this is based on your product in the center. This is specifically designed to build a photo shoot or surrounding that matches your product with everything, with lighting, the effects, with the colors, with the general style of it. So here you can see we have a product, images will appear here, here you can see generated images will appear, it's written. Now click on generate what you want to do, so here you can see we have different templates. Fine, we have this template, we can use this, we can use any of them, so let's use this one. Now let me upload a product from my device. It will automatically remove the background. You can check different options through which you can edit photos. Now click on Generate and select any of the given templates. Here you can edit the prompt according to your requirements. Click on Generate and wait for a while. And here you go. You can see how beautifully it designed the photo shoot. You can design as many products as you want or as much photo shoots as you want. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also share it. Subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video.